And to be fair, I had a straight pipe exhaust clip I was going to put in there, but so I was recording it, and then my Bluetooth kicked in, so my phone went into Android Auto mode, so it stopped the recording. So you get a cold start with a straight pipe. I'll put it in right now. So guys, I was pretty lazy this week. I ended up getting sick this weekend, and then after I got not sick, I got kind of lazy, kind of played video games.
Left 4 open crest, 60 small crest. Into right 4 long open crest.
Really didn't work on a video. I was gonna make a video for put my skid plate on, but I didn't do that. So I apologize for the lack of content. This is gonna be kind of a short video, just catching you guys up on what's going on. So anyway, I'll go back to the garage, rotation transition into my DSLR. Let's see if that works. So what's going on, guys? So I know I kind of said I was being lazy and I almost didn't make this video today, but I'm going to keep to my schedule, keep doing my upload videos, and I kind of pushed one word off a day last week because work just got crazy. Did the Fiesta over the last couple weeks. I know some of you saw it on some of the pictures on Instagram and my Facebook page, but I got the Rally Armor mud flaps, and they're pretty good. They're not as stout as I'd like them to be, but I got the softer urethane. And I put the exhaust on here. It's actually a mount tune exhaust, and it sounds pretty good. It's pretty quiet on the inside, but the Fiesta's been quiet anyway, so nothing too surprising there. And actually, I came up with a good idea last night. I want to build a race exhaust for it. So I was thinking the only way to get the old exhaust out is to cut it here. Where you see I lopped it off. But what I'm thinking is, since I had to cut that up anyway, is I can cut this off and hollow out that whole muffler. Just take all the muffleness out of it and make it a straight, basically the race exhaust for it. Whoops. And that way, it still has the hangers on there, the canister's still there, the exhaust pipe's already got the bend that I need. I just have to make an adapter for here to the cat back I've got on there. I think that'd be a pretty cool idea for a race muffler. And here's the skid plate. I showed some of you guys on the live stream the skid plate, but I'll make a video of the entire install for it for the skid plate guide on Facebook. I told him that I would, and I think it'd help him out a little bit because I haven't seen any Fiesta how-tos to install his particular skid plate, but you can see the quality there is just awesome. They did a really, really good job with it. It's a 4mm thick, so it's a little over a 1/4 inch thick. Or sorry, 1/8 of inch thick. So if you're just now seeing this car and being like, what the hell, why is there a Ford Fiesta in here? Go back and watch my change video. I'll put a link up there for you. But a quick rundown of it, it's been awesome. I've had so much fun in this stupid car. Like the torque curve and all that stuff when the turbo hits, it's phenomenal. Like I really, really, really like that. Like it's cool to have a little turbo car like that. I really missed the S2000, and the S2000 was faster. But low down, this thing is just, it's more usable, it's more fun, the torque's just all there. Like, you can throw it in the corner with so much freaking, just go for it. Like, you can just send it so hard. And torque vector, you make sure you go where you're wanting to go. Gripes about it? I really don't have any gripes about it. Like, I can't think of anything wrong that I just don't like about it. Like, all the aftermarket's crazy big for it, the parts aren't expensive for it. It doesn't have some of the problems that the Focus ST has. It's just been a good car. Like I don't know. Like I took a kind of a guess on it when I bought it, and just like, it sounds really cool. It stacks up good on paper. It looks cool. I drove it. It drove cool. I have no problems with it. Like I did some gravel testing with it, and I threw it into some corners really hard this weekend, and it just kept on going. Like it's crazy. Like I'm really satisfied with this car so far. I'm learning some of the Android Auto stuff, which is a brand new car, so it's got all the new features and has Sync 3 in it, and it's been good. It's been really good. So I have nothing bad to say. I can't wait to go rallycross it. I did autocross with it, and it did awesome. You saw that video. If not, there's another link. If I remember, put it up there. But yeah, guys, super in love with this car. It's been fast and it's been fun, and more mods on the way, I promise, and lots more content on it. But the Wagon's done good. I've got a lot of stuff coming for the Wagon too, so expect more Wagon content very soon. I got a huge project coming for it. It's gonna be a whole new lift kit for it. Essentially go up another 6 inches. So there's gonna be a lot of Wagon content coming. Plus, I still have the radiator there to put in it and a few other things. So expect plenty more content on that. This is just kind of a catching up video, so I apologize for being short, but hope you guys understand. And got to work this weekend. I was actually going to race this weekend, but work came up, so I'll be doing that. But I don't want to keep yakking too much longer. So if you guys got any questions or comments, drop them down in the comments below. Keep up with me. Let me know what you guys have got going on. If you have any questions about anything here, any 3 of these vehicles here, or anything else in my life. But yeah, I want to cut this one short, guys. Apologize for it, but I'm just happy I'm not sick anymore. So anyway, guys, till next time. Peace.